tell your employees that you have workers' compensation insurance, will that mean you get more or less claims? Hello, my name is Michael Stack, and I'm the CEO of AMAX. And I want to talk today about this concept of transparency, of information that you're providing to your employees. And it's such a common sentiment that I hear among employers and brokers that serve employers and service providers, particularly for the small and medium sized companies. They say, I don't want to tell my employees that we have work comp. Don't tell anybody. Because if we do tell them, then they're all just going to file claims, right? Isn't that what's going to happen? And here's what I have to say to that. Really? Is that really what you think? Is that really what you think? That if you tell your employees you have work comp, that they're all just going to file claims? That they don't know this whole huge thing has existed for almost 100 years or over 100 years? Work comp insurance at employers? I will tell you this. If you don't tell them, somebody else will. And that somebody else is likely a plaintiff attorney that's saying, is your employer looking out for your rights? I will get you everything you deserve. Or it's from their cousin, or it's from their friend, or it's from another employee at the organization. And what do you think that does to the level of trust at your organization? What do you think that does to the confidence that that employee has in your employer relationship that you're going to take care of them after the time of injury? What's the odds that they're going to hire an attorney? What's the odds that they're going to try to maybe malinger and extend that claim longer than it needs to? Really, if you think you're telling your employees, by not telling your employees they're not going to file claims, it's going to end up being better for you, you are quite wrong in that statement. And for professionals out there that service these employers, this is information we need to get across. This is baseline 101 type stuff, that this general sentiment that I hear all the time, we need to have some education around it. Because if you do have that transparency, if you do let them know, hey, we're going to take care of you, your trust goes way up, your litigation goes way down, your claim outcomes go way down, the cost of your claims go down, and your overall premium goes way down as well. Again, my name is Michael Stack. I'm the CEO of AMAPS. Remember, your work today in workers' compensation can have a dramatic impact on your company's bottom line, but it will have a dramatic impact on someone's life. So be great.